Hello, hello, beautiful peoples! Breaking my fast at 16 hours with cucumber and pan-cooked barbecue in Mamacita's barbecue marinade and UFC chili flakes and syrup. Let's also add on Ajinomoto umami seasoning. In fairness, malapad pa rin naman ako guys, but not that so, I think yung damit na ito, super, to sa akin, fit. But now, nakaka-move na ako kahit papaano. O, diba? Ang sarap. Imagine, nagluluto ako nito na hindi tinitikman. Just trust the skills and magic in cooking. Okay? Hindi po ako filter free ha. Meron tong filter na 50% lang yung cellphone. Para naman kahit paano gumanda tayo dito, oy. Sarap. Promise. Try nyo. Marinate nyo muna. Or i-marinate. Marinate. Sorry. I-marinate nyo muna overnight. At saka nyo igisa. Or pwede na rin ihaw. Kasi gustong-gusto ni Habi. Ang sarap, promise guys. It's so sarap. ASMR ek tayo, mukbang. Mabuti na lang 3 minutes. O sa mga nakakita ng post o kanina, it's about AI, technology and all. Wag kayong wag nyo namang i-bash yung iba na posting dyan ng AI, ChatGPT and all. I'm one of them. Hindi na mapipigilan ang technology. When you say you are not your own personality, look at yourself. Araw-araw natin ginagamit yan kaysa selfie. Kung medyo may mema kayo about the AI enhancement sa pagmumukha, tignan nyo muna yung sarili nyo, baka mapanas-panas na or hindi na makita, kakaka-filter. Ang filter po ay AI din yan. For your info. Ganun. Sino ba naman ang hindi nangarap ng perfect world? Kasi ako, nangangarap ako ng perfect world. At dahil doon, nakikita ko yung reimagination. Reimagination nga, diba? And speaking of reimagination, as a content creator, you have to be creative. So, hindi ka matatawag na content creator kung hindi ka nag-create. Diba? Common sense. Wala lang. Basta masarap to, promise. Yung combination ng barbecue and pipino, masarap, mabango. Medyo slow lang yung progress, but progress is still progress. Medyo maluwag na ako sa mga damit na pinagsusuot ko before. Tsaka yung content ko nung Sunday, nung nagluluto ako, hindi na ako masyadong bloated that time. So, low carb helps po. Ang daming bashers when it comes to doing this way of eating. Na-experience ko na yan 5 years ago. Pero kailangan isipin natin yung sarili natin. Kailangan nating tumanda na healthy. Yun. Saka from the very beginning naman yung tao hindi kumakain ng mga process, diba? Yung mga sinaunang tao po, nakarely lang sa what's available. And hunting talaga. Kaya nga tayo may ngipin na ganito. Canine. That's the purpose of biting meat. Yun. Pero iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang ano yan, paniniwala. Hindi naman ako mayaman. Kaya, kung merong murang paraan, why not, diba? Mabuti naman sa katawan. So, that's all muna. Papunta tayong 6 minutes. 6 minutes. That's all muna. Na-miss ko lang yung ganito. Join me again on my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. Enjoy the rest of the day. God bless everyone. Love, love, love.